Stop paying for Zapier. Now, that is a huge promise, right? But stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it.
Hey, it's Brand Takeoff here, and listen, if you want to get in on tech secrets just like this one, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out. All right, let's dive in. So let me just ask you something straight up. Are you one of the millions of people shelling out hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars every single year for automation tools like Zapier? And look, don't get me wrong, those tools are powerful. They are the glue that holds our digital lives together, and they save us time. But man, they come at a steep price. They've kind of become this necessary evil, this cost we all just accept. But what if that's all about to change? Because deep inside Google's experimental labs, they've been quietly building a secret weapon, a tool that completely flips the idea of automation on its head. And the best part? For now, it is 100% free. It's called Google Opal. And here's what you really need to understand. This is not just another Zapier clone. It's an experimental, totally zero-code tool that lets you build powerful little AI apps using nothing more than plain English. No code, just your words. We are moving way beyond just connecting app A to app B. This is the dawn of the AI agent era. So think of these not as dumb tools that just follow instructions, but as intelligent assistants that actually understand your goal and then figure out the smartest way to get it done. And this isn't some little side project. I mean, Google CEO Sundar Pichai has made it crystal clear that this is the future. He said it himself. AI agents can take actions on your behalf, but you're still in control. And Opal, it's our first real chance to play with that kind of power. Okay, so how does this magic trick actually work? I mean, how do you go from a simple idea to a fully functioning app that can save you hours of work? You're going to be shocked at how simple it is. It's a super simple 3-step dance. First, you just describe what you want it to do, just like you're talking to a person. Second, Opal's AI brain goes to work and creates a visual map of all the steps. And third, you can instantly share your brand new mini app with anyone just by sending them a link. That's it. It's really that easy. And this visual part, honestly, this is the real game changer. You're not just yelling a command into the dark and hoping for the best. You can actually see the entire workflow the AI built for you. You can click on things, drag them around, and edit every single step. It gives you all the power and all the control without ever having a look at a single line of code. All right, time for the main event. How does this brand new, experimental, free tool actually stack up against the giants that we've all been paying for? Well, let's just say the game has definitely changed. So check this out. This table really breaks it all down. Over on the left, you've got Google Opal, which is all about building these little AI-powered apps from a simple prompt. Then you've got Zapier, which is for connecting the apps you already use. And way over on the right is something like Bubble for building whole websites from scratch. But the real kickers are the bottom 2 rows, complexity and pricing. Opal is designed to be dead simple, just natural language. And it's free. That is a massive difference from the paid, more complicated world of the old guard. So it all boils down to this huge shift in how we think about this stuff. The old way was about connecting apps. It was like being a switchboard operator, manually plugging this into that. The new way is about commanding an AI. You just tell it the destination, and the AI builds the road to get there. So let's bring this back down to earth. This isn't just some cool tech to geek out on. This is basically your new personal AI assistant, and it's ready to build tools that can start saving you real, actual hours, like this week. For example, you could build an instant summarizer. Imagine an app where you can just paste in a link to a super long article or a dense report, and bam, you get perfect, clean bullet points back. Think of all the reading time you'd save. Or what about a perfect reply generator for your business? You could feed it your brand's tone of voice, give it a customer's email, and it would draft a professional, perfectly worded response in seconds. I mean, come on, that's incredible. And here's another one, a 24/7 copy enhancer. You could paste in your marketing copy, a social media post, whatever, and tell it to make it funnier or more professional or more urgent. Instant edits, any time of day. Now, when you start adding up just those little things, summarizing things, drafting replies, editing copy, it's not hard to see how you could easily save 5 or more hours every single week. Seriously, what would you even do with that extra time? And here's the best part. You can start doing all of this right now, for free. This is your chance to basically become a developer without having to learn a single thing about coding. So let's just run through the big wins one more time. You're building with your own words, natural language. There is
zero coding needed. You can test out new ideas in minutes, not months. It's powered by Google's best-in-class AI. And, the big one, it's completely free while it's in beta.
Okay, just a quick heads up, this is an experimental tool, so it's still growing and changing. Right now, it's in a public beta, and that means it's only officially available in the US for now. But you can bet they'll be rolling it out to more places soon. So if this little explainer just saved you a few $100 a year, or maybe just opened your eyes to a whole new way of working, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and make sure you subscribe to @BrandTechAuth so you never miss out on secrets that'll give you an edge. So I'll just leave you with this one question to chew on. With a tool that can literally build you an AI app from a single sentence, what's the very first problem you're going to solve? Let me know down in the comments.